After the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus, the company reaching to launch the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus smartphones within the first quarter of 2018. The launch date of the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus isn't however declared yet. But consistent with the rumors, the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus could be launched within the first quarter of 2018. Shortly once the launch of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, the Samsung company will then begin engaged on launching the Samsung Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus smartphones. Predicting from Samsung's launching strategy, we tend to feel that Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus would have all chances to hit the market in the year early 2019. Since 3 launches unfold across few months gap ought to be enough to stay Samsung trending for a year. Provide enough time to the company to require feedback from the market and work on its next flagship model. Samsung Galaxy S10 release date is not yet confirmed, but by previous Samsung launching technique we can say that it will hit the market in the middle of 2019. Coming to next, Samsung Galaxy S10 and Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus that is predicted to launch within the second or third quarter of 2019. In keeping with rumors, Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus can featured with powerful technology and unimaginable options. As Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus is not yet hit the market, it is so early to predict the features and specification of Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. However, as per Samsung last S-series phone, we can expect a glossy metal body, higher security with face scanner and fingerprint scanner, latest updated Android, much better and latest Snapdragon processor, much better battery life and good storage capacity. As launch price of Samsung Galaxy S8 is $720, so we can say that expected price of Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus will be between $800 to $900. Is Samsung Galaxy S10 is Samsung Galaxy X, a folding phone? As we all know, Apple has released its iPhone X, iPhone X, which bring many changes in design and feature that we haven't seen before in old iPhones. Similarly, few rumors are, the Samsung will bring similar changes in design and features like iPhone X/iPhone X in their own X/10 version smartphone, which we all know will be the Samsung Galaxy S10, or you can also say that it will be the Samsung Galaxy X. Because from the previous experience, Samsung always used to copy iPhone a bit in their S-series smartphones. In the year 2017 we heard that Samsung is working on folding display which they will release in the smartphone. It would be possible that he is talking about to bring this flexible. We can also say that folding display in the new Samsung Galaxy S10/Samsung Galaxy X. Samsung's president of smartphone statement about folding display, he has told Bloomberg the company's folding phone was real and for sure we will launch the phone. So, maybe the rumor would be true. KOH Dongjin might be thinking about launching this folding display in Samsung Galaxy S10 Samsung Galaxy X, which will bring the major design change in their phone, like Apple's iPhone X. And if they make this type of technology, then this could bring major changes in smartphones. The problem of smashing the phone in the pockets would be solved with this type display. This display might also be crack-proof. Drooping the phone might not be a problem anymore, because the display is flexible so drooping won't break anything. But the reality is this: everything we have talked in this article is complete based on rumors. Some of these rumors are collected from Samsung fans, and few are from Samsung officials. We hope that everything we have talked would be true.